Rabbit and Coyote by Gustavo Juana. Illustrated by Dawn Marie Pawlowski. Coyote liked to chase Rabbit all day long. Rabbit liked to play tricks on Coyote all day long. They never got tired of playing their games together. One day, Coyote couldn't find Rabbit. Then he saw Rabbit walking in a canyon. This was a perfect place for chasing Rabbit. The canyon walls were very high. Rabbit couldn't escape. Coyote followed Rabbit into the canyon. Rabbit saw Coyote behind her. "I am in trouble now," Rabbit thought. "What can I do?" She ran. Coyote chased her. Rabbit hid in the canyon. Finally, Coyote found Rabbit. Rabbit was leaning against the canyon wall. "Quick, help me!" Rabbit cried. "The wall will fall on both of us." A few small rocks fell. Coyote ran to Rabbit and helped her to hold up the canyon wall. They held up the wall all night long. They got hungry. Rabbit saw a reflection of the moon in the pond. It looked like cheese. "I will drink all the water from the pond," Rabbit said. "Then we can eat that cheese in the water." Rabbit drank some of the water. "This will never work," she said. "I will get some real food for us." She ran off. Coyote didn't follow. He was afraid the wall would fall on him. Coyote got so hungry that he ran away from the canyon wall. The wall didn't fall. "Rabbit tricked me. I will have some cheese, and then I will chase her," Coyote said. He drank all the water from the pond, but he never found any cheese. He was too full of water to move. He couldn't chase Rabbit that day.